Multiple reports described the same detail during the snowstorm. The airport was listed as closed, but the lights never went out. Witnesses said they could see people inside, moving, waiting, working. Behind doors marked closed. Outside, the runway disappeared under drifting snow. Inside, the departure screen still showed flights like nothing had changed. Several travelers checked their phones. Every update said the same thing: closed. No access, no operations, no staff on site. But someone was there. Security footage from nearby roads showed the terminal glowing all night, with no record of anyone entering. By morning, the snow cleared enough to see the entrance. The doors were unlocked. The chairs were dry, and every boarding pass on the floor had footprints that stopped halfway. If it was closed, who kept it up?